10 dangerous foods you should never feed your cat. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about 10 dangerous foods you should never feed your cat. Before we start, your support will really help our channel. If you like this type of videos, like, subscribe and share it to your friend. Number 1. Chocolate. Chocolate isn't just dangerous for dogs, it's extremely toxic to cats too. It can cause vomiting and even heart problems. Keep all chocolate far away. Number 2. Onions and garlic. Even small amounts of onions, garlics will damage your cat's red blood cells and leading to anemia. Never share your seasoned food with them. Number 3. Grapes and raisins. For cats, they can cause kidney failure, so don't risk it. Skip the fruit bowl sharing. Number 4. Caffeine. Coffee, tea, or energy drinks contain caffeine, which can lead to restlessness, rapid breathing, and it's so bad for them. Your latte is not for your kitty, my friend. Number 5. This one is terrible. Alcohol. Even tiny sips of beer, wine can be fatal. Cat's liver can't process alcohol at all. Always keep your drinks away. Number 6. Raw eggs. Raw eggs can carry salmonella or E. coli, which can seriously harm your cat. Plus, an enzyme in raw eggs can mess with your cat's skin and cause health. Number 7. Bones and fat trimmings. Cooked bones can splinter and damage your cat's digestive system. Fatty scraps can also cause pancreatitis. Stick to proper cat foods. Again, my friend, your support will really help our channel. Please, if you really like this type of videos, subscribe, like, and share it to your friends. Number 8. Milk and dairy. Guys, most cats are actually lactose intolerant. Dairy can cause stomach pain, diarrhea, and gas. Stick to water, that's it. Number 9. Dog food. It's not toxic, but it lacks the nutrients cats need, especially taurine, which is essential for their heart and eyes. Never replace cat food with dog food. Number 10. Xylitol. Found in gum, candy, and sugar-free foods, xylitol is deadly to cats. It can cause liver failure in a matter of hours. Be extra careful. Listen, my friend, cats are curious, but their bodies can't handle human foods. If you're ever unsure about the food, play it safe and ask your vet. Keep your cat safe and they'll thank you with cuddles. If you really like this type of videos, subscribe, like, and share it to your friends.